Imagine you're lined up at the gate. The smell of high-octane fuel and fresh-turned loam is thick in the air. To your left is a factory-spec KTM, and to your right, a screaming Honda. The 30-second board goes sideways. Your heart is hammering against your chest protector in this moment. You don't need the bike with the most horsepower on a dyno chart. You need the bike that's going to let you hold the throttle open. Longer than anyone else, Kawasaki has dominated the podiums for decades. But as we move into 2026, the competition has never been more cutthroat. Is the new KX450 a revolutionary leap forward, or is it just resting on its lime green laurels? Stick around, because by the end of this video, we're going to reveal a secret tuning trick directly from the Kawasaki factory text that completely changes how this bike handles the dirt. The legacy from Villopoto to Tomic. Before we dive into the nuts and bolts of the 2026 model, we have to talk about the DNA of this machine. Kawasaki doesn't just build bikes, they build user-friendly monsters. Since the total redesign in 2024, the KX450 has moved away from being the raw power king and toward being the most balanced bike on the track for 2026. The engineers didn't throw the baby out with the bathwater. Instead, they focused on refinement. This bike is built on the philosophy that smooth is fast. If you're looking for a bike that tries to snap your head back every time you touch the throttle, you might be looking in the wrong place. But if you want a bike that carves a corner like a surgical scalpel and stays stable at 60 miles per hour through a set of whoops, you're in for a treat. Engine performance power. You can actually use the heart of the 2026 KX. 450 is its 449cc liquid-cooled, 4-stroke single on the dyno. It's pushing roughly 53.1 horsepower. Now, some internet keyboard warriors will tell you that's weak compared to the 60 horsepower Euro bikes. Don't listen to them. What matters is where that power lives. Kawasaki has perfected the linear power curve. The engine features a center port exhaust and a downdraft intake that creates a straight shot for the air fuel mixture to hit the combustion chamber. The result, a bottom end that is incredibly smooth, almost electric. It doesn't hit you, it carries you. As you move into the mid-range, the bike begins to show its teeth, pulling with a consistent, relentless force that doesn't sign off until you're well into the high RPMs. It's the kind of power that saves you energy. During a 20-minute moto, you aren't fighting the bike to stay online. You're simply choosing where you want to go. Chassis and handling. Slim, trim, and mean. The 2026 frame is a masterpiece of aluminum perimeter engineering. One of the first things you notice when you sit on the KX450 is how narrow it is. Kawasaki has optimized the rigidity balance to give you more feel from the front tire. In previous generations, Kawasaki's were known for being long and stable, but a bit slow in the tight stuff. Those days are gone. With a steeper 26.6-degree head angle, this bike wants to hunt the inside line. However, stability hasn't been sacrificed. Even on the high-speed straights of tracks like Glen Helen, the KX450 feels planted. It has a heavy feel in the best way possible. Not heavy to lift, but heavy in terms of traction, sticks to the ground. The ergonomics are also the most adjustable in the class, with 4-way adjustable handlebar positions and 2-way adjustable foot pegs. This is the only bike that truly grows or shrinks to fit the rider. Whether you're 5 feet 6 inches or 6 feet 3 inches, suspension the Showa advantage. Kawasaki continues its partnership with Showa, utilizing the 49mm large diameter coil spring forks. While many competitors have flirted with air forks, Kawasaki knows that for the average racer, nothing beats the consistent plush feel of a traditional spring. For 2026, the valving has been slightly tweaked to address the softness that faster riders complained about in 2025. Out of the box, the suspension is remarkably forgiving. It soaks up the chatter, those small, annoying ripples on the track, without sending a vibration through your wrists on big landings. The Unitrack rear shock remains progressive, resisting bottoming out even when you overjump that finish line. Tabletop, it's a setup that favors comfort, which is a godsend when the track gets rough and beat up at the end of a long day. Electronics, the Ridelegy revolution. The days of swapping plug-in plastic couplers are over. The 2026 KX450 is fully integrated with Ridelegy, the app KX. Using your smartphone, you can adjust your fuel injection and ignition timing with a simple graph. Want more snap for a muddy start? You can advance the timing riding a dry, slippery, hard-packed track, retard the timing for better traction. The handlebar-mounted switch is also a standout feature. You can toggle between 2 preset maps on the fly, and there's a dedicated button for the Kawasaki traction control. KTRC with 3 levels of traction control. You can choose exactly how much help you want from the EQ. And of course, the launch control mode is still there to help you grab that whole shot. By retarding the ignition until you shift into third gear, the big surprise, the factory secret mapping. Okay, I promised you a surprise. And here it is. Many riders have complained that the stock green map on the KX450 feels a little too sleepy off the bottom. Well, the secret is that Kawasaki's factory support team has actually developed a hidden map configuration that isn't the default, but is available for download through the Rideology app. This specific map, referred to internally as the aggressive torque profile, adjusts the ignition curve specifically for the 2026 center port exhaust. When you upload this, the bike loses that mellow feel and gains a bark that rivals the KTM. It transforms the bike from a friendly, trail-capable racer into a pure supercross weapon. Most dealerships won't tell you about it, but it's the single best free modification you can make to this motorcycle. Brakes and components, the premium touch. Kawasaki didn't cut corners on the finishing bits for 2026. You're looking at a Brembo master cylinder and caliper on the front. This provides incredible modulation. You can feel exactly how much pressure you're applying. With just one finger, the rear brake is a Nissan unit with a 240mm pedal disc, ensuring you have the stopping power to dive bomb into corners. Other pro touches include the Nissan hydraulic clutch, which provides a consistent pull from the start of the race, to the checkered flag and OD lock-on grips. If you've ever spent an hour gluing and safety wiring traditional grips, you'll appreciate the simplicity of the lock-on design. The 2026 model also features a tool-less air filter access side panel, making the most hated maintenance task in motocross a 30-second job. The comparison KX450 versus the world. So where does it sit if the Honda is the fast and aggressive choice, and the Yamaha is the torque king? The Kawasaki KX450 is the pro's choice. It's the bike that doesn't have any glaring weaknesses. It might not be the lightest, weighing in at roughly 250 pounds wet, and it might not have the most peak horsepower, but it is undoubtedly the easiest bike to ride fast for a long time. It bridges the gap between a beginner-friendly 450 and a pro-level race machine, better than anything else on the market. Final verdict in value. With an MSRP of $10,599, the 2026 Kawasaki KX450 is priced competitively. When you consider the value of the Brembo brakes, the hydraulic clutch, and the smartphone tuning capabilities, it's a lot of motorcycle for the money. It's a bike that inspires confidence. He tells you, go ahead, jump it, go ahead. Lean it over further, and in the world of motocross, confidence is the most valuable spec of all. If you're a rider who values a plush ride, adjustable ergonomics, and a power band that works with you rather than against you, the 2026 KX450 belongs in your garage. Kawasaki has taken a winning formula and polished it to a mirror shine. It's green, it's mean, and it's ready to take you to the front of the pack. Would you like me to create a detailed spec table or a maintenance schedule for the 2026 KX450 to include as a pinned comment bike future?